Hi everyone. In this series, we will explore the life stories of famous people from around the world, such as Queen Elizabeth II, Albert Einstein, Nelson Mandela, Michael Jackson, and so on. You can learn about their life stories in just a few minutes while also improving your English listening and reading skills. Let's dive into the Learn English Through Stories series now. Jeff Bezos. Early life and education. Jeff Bezos was born on January 12, 1964, in Albuquerque, New Mexico. He is a well-known American businessman and the founder of Amazon and Blue Origin. Jeff grew up with his teenage mother, Jacqueline Guise Jorgensen, and his father, Ted Jorgensen. When he was 4, his mother married Mike Bezos, a Cuban immigrant. From a young age, Jeff showed a strong interest in science and technology, often turning his garage into a lab. He graduated as the top student in his high school in Miami. Career beginnings. After high school, Jeff attended Princeton University. There, he earned a degree in computer science and electrical engineering, graduating with top honors in 1986. He then began his career in finance, working for several companies on Wall Street, including Fattel, Bankers Trust, and D.E. Shaw. At D.E. Shaw, he became the youngest vice president in 1990. Founding Amazon. In a bold move that changed retail forever, Jeff left his high-paying finance job in 1994. He moved to Seattle, inspired by the potential of the Internet, and started Amazon.com. The website launched on July 16, 1995, initially as an online bookstore. Within months, Amazon grew rapidly, expanding its product range and establishing itself as a major player in e-commerce. By 1997, the company went public. Jeff then began adding more products, including CDs, videos, and eventually a wide variety of goods. Innovations and growth. Under Jeff's leadership, Amazon continued to innovate. He introduced services like Amazon Prime, which offered fast shipping. Additionally, he helped develop the Kindle e-reader and Amazon Studios, which created original shows and movies. In 2017, Jeff led the purchase of Whole Foods for $13.7 billion, strengthening Amazon's role in the grocery market. Philanthropy and personal life. In 2013, Jeff made headlines by buying the Washington Post for $250 million. Under his ownership, the newspaper underwent significant changes that improved its business and profitability. In recent years, Jeff has also focused on philanthropy. In 2018, he launched the Bezos Day One Fund to support organizations that help homeless families and create preschools in low-income areas. In 2020, he announced the Bezos Earth Fund, committing $10 billion to fight climate change and promote sustainability. On a personal note, Jeff married Mackenzie Scott in 1993, and they had 4 children. After their divorce in 2019, which resulted in a significant change in Amazon stock ownership, Jeff began dating Lauren Sanchez. They announced their engagement in 2023. As of May 2023, Jeff's net worth is estimated at $137.9 billion, making him one of the richest people in the world. His influence reaches across various fields, shaping the future of e-commerce, space travel, and media. Jeff Bezos remains a key figure in the business world, known for his innovative ideas and commitment to giving back.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.